Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. As you can see, it's got all the power doors and powered trunk hatch. It's got a rear entry manual ramping door, or manual ramp. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I just pinch the clamps. This is the best design in the industry. It keeps these ramps from rattling as much. Got the 1 finger I can take it down with. Look at that, spring assisted. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with ease. 34 inches wide. It does get down to 32 inches here at the base where the ramp sets, so 32 inches there at the base, which is a couple inches wider than the side entries. That's nice. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. Between those 2 front seats, there's 21 inches of room. If you need more room, most wheelchairs will slide either in between there, or the person's legs will sit in between them, and their bottom will sit slightly behind them. If you want more narrow seats there, if you want seats to flip up on their side, let us know. Let us know what you need. We can make this van accommodate your needs. You know, there's no one size fits all. We get that. Very clean interior. Dash is in excellent condition. This van looks darn near brand new shape. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eye on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control. You can see the leather seating, the nice stitching in there. That super nice console. And then when everybody's in and ready to go, we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Put the ramp back up, real easy to do. If you want to close the van here, you can of course do it there as well. Also inside it has controls for, can shut the sliding door. Now let's say you're going to use this van for a taxi and you want all the doors to be manual. You don't want them getting where? Push that button there, turn all the doors manual. Look here. Slide open and shut just like a manual door. Middle seats are very clean. Rear air controls. Power driver seat. Over here on the passenger side, much of the same. Everything's real clean. Super clean van inside and out. Smells great, looks great. Front tires excellent condition. It's got the alloy wheels, got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. So all the tires are pretty good condition. Let me fire it up here. Oh, one other great feature that it has. It's got the auto start. So even if you got a garage, auto start's nice to have. You can have your car nice and warm when you come out. And even in the summertime, you know, if you want to get your car nice and cool when you come out, it's another great feature to have. When I go turn the van on with a key in it, you see how the dummy lights work. There's no airbag lights, no check engine, none of that. Right now it's currently got about a full tank of gas in it. That may vary due to test drives, and in the wintertime we got to start these things up and let them run for a while to keep the batteries charged. But let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine from Dodge. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any rust, no signs of any leaks. This is exactly what we want. Underneath the van as well, she's very clean, not all rusted out, not all bent up from an accident. And you'll notice with our competition, they very rarely, if ever, show the undercarriage to the vans. Reason being, they buy a lot of these vans from New York, Chicago, you know, vans that aren't in no good condition. Vans that got a lot of rust on them. You know, it's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it's a 2020, or they assume because it's got low miles, or they assume because the salesman was real nice to them on the phone. They assume that it runs and drives good. They assume that it's not all rusted out, and they make a lot of assumptions. That's the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle, is make assumptions. You know, if someone's going to try and sell you an expensive van, mobility van, we always show the VIN number too, so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of fraud going on out there. People get burned every day on the internet. Don't be one of them. Don't assume things. Demand a detailed video like this, and if someone's going to try and peddle you a high-dollar van and they won't get off their keister and get out and make you a detailed video, well, you know, buyer beware. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Oh, before I do that, we've tested all the power windows, power locks. I didn't assume all these work just because it's 2020. I pay mechanics good money to check these out. I'm in the same boat you are. I don't want any surprises. I don't want you to have any surprises. That's why we're so thorough in what we do, and that's why we sell so many vans. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure the van is roadworthy, and you know, you don't have to assume, you know, this van's roadworthy. Gets up to about 65 miles an hour, no problems, good power. Got the cruise set, cruise works great. You can see that steering wheel's nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. Also, this van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge, a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. Then the conversion itself comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of conversion companies out there are going to try and tell you they have the best conversion. They're going to start rattling off all these stats. There's one stat that matters. Our conversion is 3 years, unlimited miles on the warranty. Everyone else is 3 years, 36,000 miles on the warranty. So you tell me, who makes a better, more reliable conversion? The people that are warranting it unlimited, or the people that put a cap at 36,000 miles? So if that answers your question right there, then you know where I'm coming from. What I'm going to do is take the next exit, give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no braking issues. And keep in mind, I know a lot of people out there are selling mobility vans. When it comes to, you know, adding hidden fees, let me do this brake here real quick. Good hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. It's exactly what we want. So this van is not quite brand new, but it's sure not far from it. It's very clean, been very well taken care of. Should make a great van for you or your business for many years to come if you take care of it. Back to the competition, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online, they have a good price, then they throw in a $500, $1,000, $1,200, what they call administrative fees and document fees and tag fees and blah, 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 blah. They're just trying to have a low price advertised online and the tag fees on the back of it. Then you factor in shipping, you know, have to get the van from them to you, and you sometimes can be very expensive. You know, moving 4,000 pounds across the country is not cheap. So my point is, you know, when it comes to final dollar to get the van to your driveway, the price you see listed is the price you're going to pay. No hidden fees, no hidden agenda. We're very honest in how we do business. Also keep in mind, when you call, you're going to talk to me, the owner. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition. I want you to tell them, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if anything ever goes wrong, if I ever have any questions, I can talk to the owner. Because the rest of these guys and gals are used car salespeople. And a lot of them are going to be working at another dealership in 2 months, chasing that commission check. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission. Cha-ching. Well, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to get a good deal. I want you to come back and see us. And check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email. So give us a call if you have any questions. If you ever want to come in, please make an appointment. Again, my name is Jeremiah. As always, and thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.